Okay, good morning, Team Impact. Welcome. We got a couple weeks here till we finish up. You're moving on to the coordinate plane. You're going to get this packet today. We're in Unit 6. So we're a little over, we're approaching, we're over the halfway point in our units. We got about 4 weeks left in the 9 weeks, 2 weeks to Christmas. So let's get into this thing and get rolling. Pretty good chapter or unit, whatever you'd like to call it. Go ahead and flip the page. We've talked a little bit about the coordinate plane. We're going to talk just about the basic fundamentals today and do a little bit of graphing, I think. So nothing too terribly tough. Let's get into this thing. Okay. All right. So this is a quadrant, and this is what we're going to call the first quadrant. Okay. And the first quadrant would be labeled like this. This is always X and this is Y, and this is what we call the point of origin. Okay, so when we look at these things, it says from the art room to the nurse, from the art to the nurse. So let's go ahead and read the directions. The students at Northside Middle School are creating a map around the school for incoming sixth graders. Use the map below to describe how the students will travel. Okay, so from the art room to the what? To the nurse, they're going to go down or south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units down. So let's just write that. We're starting out. Let's keep it easy, right? From the school to the entrance, the school to the entrance here. Let's see if we can find the school, the nurse, the library, the entrance. Here's your entrance to the library. So we're going to go over 2 and down what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, right, we're going to go 6 units down and 2 units right. If a student leaves the cafeteria and travels 2 units up, 7 units right, where will they be? Here's the cafeteria right here. 2 units what? We're going to go 2 units up, 1, 2, 6 to the right. We're going to be at the choir, right? The choir station. All right, let's go. Coordinate, little vocab today. An ordered pair describes an exact location, all right, on the coordinate plane. X coordinate, all right, is the first. It's always first, F-I-R-S-T, number in the ordered pair, all right? And it indicates movement parallel to the X axis. The Y coordinate is second. It's second, and I'll show you here in just a minute. Number in the ordered pair, and it indicates movement parallel to the y-axis, the y-axis. When graphing ordered pairs, always begin at 0 and 0, which we call the origin. That's an ordered pair. So an ordered pair could be 6 and -3. This is always x, that's always y. Okay, we're not going to be into integers yet on this, I don't believe today, but they are coming. Okay, so the ordered pair 8, 4 means that to plot the point, you will begin at 0, 0, right? 0, 0, and then move, right? 8 units right and 4 units up. 8 and 4. You begin at the origin and travel 5 units to the right and then 3 units up. You will be at what ordered pair? 5 units, all right, to the right. My ordered pair is 5, 3. We always write our ordered pairs with a comma and parentheses. Again, this is X, this is Y. Get used to that. We talked about that in our function tables when we did some graphing. Okay. Use the coordinate plane on the left to list the ordered pairs for each table. And I'll do one, and then I want you to pause the video and go ahead and get rolling. So the circle is going to be over 2 and up 8. So our ordered pair is 2, 8. Pretty easy. Triangle, over 8, up 5. 8, 5. Pause the video and do the rest, please. Our square, over 9 and 9, so it's 9 and 9. Hexagon, hexa is 6 sides. So we're looking at that one right there, over 4 up 3. 4 comma 3. Penti. Penti is 5, and there it is, over 3 and up 4. Trapezoid. Trapezoid has one set of parallel sides, and there they are, over 10 and up 4. And a rhombus. Well, that's a girl's best friend. It's a diamond, isn't it? So where's the diamond? Right here. And look there. It's right on the what? The y-axis. The y-axis. So we're not going to go anywhere left and right. So the first number is 0, and the second number is just 5. Just 5. Okay? So just getting some fundamentals today. Describe the difference between the ordered pairs for the hexagon and the pentagon. Well, here's the pentagon and here's the hexagon. All right. Well, they're flipped, right? They're flipped. So that's all it is. The difference is the pentagon's over 3 and the hexagon's over 4. So they're just reversed. All right. The numbers are flipped. Right. Yvette is asked to plot the point 70 and places it on the y-axis. Did Yvette plot the point correctly? Well, let's go ahead and talk about this. Here's 70, and that would be right there. This is the x-axis. So no, she is not correct because you see, it didn't tell us to go up and down. So no, all right, it's on the x-axis. All right, so no, she's incorrect. So it can get a little tricky, so we just have to take our time looking at these things, okay? All right, let's move down. Now we're going to do some plotting. You can draw these if you want. That's all fine and dandy here, okay? All right, let's go. Circle is 4 and 18. 4 and 18. I'm going to put a circle right there. Triangle, and you can pause the video again and do this yourself. Triangles 5 and 8. And it's right there, right? 5 is right here. 70 is the square, and that's going to be right there. I over 7, and I don't leave the x-axis. Again, x and y, origin. The heart is 18. 18 and 12. 18 and 12 will be about right there, I believe. And this is going to be, I'm not very good at drawing. How's that? All right, I'm going to check off what I did. The star is 13 and 7. So it's going to be between in 12 and 14. And 7 is going to be right there. And what are we making a star? Okay. Something like that. Trapezoid, 10 and 16. 10 and 16 is our trapezoid. And rhombus is 8 and 5. 8 and 5 is our rhombus. And I think our rhombus is a diamond, right? There it is, right? And there you have it. Pretty easy stuff today. Good start. Your homework's going to be right here. Lesson 1 along with the con. Have a good day, guys.